Big gun find, 26 weapons and hundreds of rounds of ammunition seized in 2 days at the port in Kingston. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, war in factions. Violence breaks out in Waterhouse St. Andrew.
Keeping them safe. The police celebrate reduction in violence against students.
Another domestic killing. Woman stabs spouse to death after argument.
Pushing back. Health Minister defends the move to restrict sugary drinks in schools and public health institutions.
And in business news, boosting trade. Commerce Minister pledges to review and abolish old import and export fees.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on Professor Errol Morrison's assertion that the push against sugary drinks is misguided?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.